Welcome to this video on on-page SEO for beginners and how to use your keyword research. In this video, I'll cover the basics of on-page search engine optimization, SEO, where to use the keywords you've found in your research, and then at the end of the video, I'll show you a top tip for how to structure your page descriptions. Well, the basics of on-page SEO. Believe it or not, SEO is the perfect marriage of keywords used for both the search engines so they know what your site is about and the visitor to your site so they stay on the page and use your content. So where do you use your keywords on a page? Well, think of your page as split into different components. You've got your address, the URL or your domain name. You've got the title and description of your site or page or article. You've got the content, which is split usually with a header, the paragraph text, and then various links through that text that link to other pages. And then at the bottom, you've got your footer, which again often contains links. So what do you do with these keywords? Well, this is what they look like in Google, and this is why it's so important to use them. You've got your keyword that you're searching for at the top. That keyword needs to show in your address, either in the domain name or the address of the page following the domain name. You've got the keyword in your page title or article title, and then the keyword in the description. So Google stopped counting meta descriptions toward your website ranking actually several years ago, but that description is still critical to getting a potential customer to click on your website. So although searchers usually click on higher ranked results, they also usually click on sites where the description matches what they're looking for. So your description has to be as attractive as possible and worth clicking on. And this leads me to my promise of your top tip for descriptions. Okay, here's an example of two different descriptions for the same keyword. The top one, get free shipping on qualified panels, products, or buy online, blah, 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 blah. And the bottom one, home solar panels and residential solar systems designed by SunPower in California, blah, 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 makes more energy from every drop of. This little tip to put 3 full stops, ... at the end of your description actually makes a surprising difference. Humans are curious creatures and we want to see what else it says, so we click on it. There you go, top tip of the day. Okay, if you found this video useful, this was a super short one today, please like it and subscribe for more. And if you have any questions about keyword research or on-page SEO, please leave a comment and I'll reply as soon as I can. And in the next video, I'll show you how to search for keywords on a web page, especially your own.